Today we're going to show you how you can create an extension test so that you can make sure that students are seeing Boogie. So from your Launchpad, you're going to go up to the settings, this top right avatar in the corner, and click down the settings drop down. And from here we're going to create a group. So you'll go to this groups link and we're going to create a new group. So click this green plus new group, a new student group. And I'm going to call mine extension test. You can call it whatever you want, but for mine, that's what I'm going to call it. And then from there, you're going to add students. And what you'll need to do is choose a student that you can impersonate so that you'll be able to log in as on their Chromebook. Or if it's a student that you can pull aside to do the test with in person, you can do that as well. So when you click on the users, you'll see a list. Usually it's going to be their email. So I'm just going to go ahead and randomly pick one, Adam Donnelly. And it looks like it's adding Ryan. Okay. So from here, we're going to go back to our Launchpad. And now we need to create a pulse to test the extension with. So I'm going to click pulses and click the plus new pulse and create a student pulse. I'm going to call it extension test, just like my group. And when I select students from my groups, I should now see extension test in my list as I'm scrolling through. There it is. And we'll save. I'm going to remove teachers and district admins, and I will turn off comments and click next. So you can either create your own custom question or pick something from the bank. Today I'm just going to pick a district fun question or two. Okay, what's your favorite food? I'll click add. What's your favorite ice cream? Click add. Go ahead and click next. And now we're going to schedule it to run this test today. If you don't want to run it on the same day, you can set the schedule for whatever day you want to test it. But I'm going to do it today and just keep it open for today only. Click create schedule, and the last step is to make sure you click finish setup. When you click that, now when you go back to your Launchpad, you should see the extension test. I see one participant because it's just pulling from that custom group that I created, the extension test, and I can click into the pulse itself to see that that student was added. And then once you have been able to log in as a student on a Chromebook, what you should see if you go to any web page is Boogie pops up if you're signed in as that student. So if you were to click on Boogie, you would see your school wants to hear from you. Go ahead and click it and go through and answer the questions. For this demo, I'm going to go ahead and do the actual pulse that we're testing. And I will answer those questions and make sure that I hit submit, the green button. It should tell you, thank you, you're all finished. And then from there, you can go back and check your participation. So go back to your Launchpad. We'll click Launchpad at the top. And now you can see we have 100% participation. It did record the response, so the extension works. The student's able to see Boogie, and we were able to submit and record their response. So that's it for running an extension test. The other thing that you want to keep in mind is you will need system admin access to create a custom group, and you will need some admin access at your school site to be able to impersonate the student that you want to test as. I hope that helps, and have a great day.